loves, it is your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I am back with another hair tutorial. Today's video is going to be all about this unit that I'm wearing right here. It's from XrsBeauty. They are having a Black Friday deal going on, so I will let you guys know all about the sale later on in the video as I install this unit. However, this unit came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, like you can never go wrong with that, and this is clear lace. The way I feel about clear lace is like, I don't want a wig if it ain't clear lace, period. The way that it looks, like how realistic it looks, I'm going to show you guys a comparison between clear lace and two other types of laces. Here are the three types of laces from left to right. Here's the clear lace. As you can see straight through. You can see the hair on my arms. This is the transparent lace, and this is the brown lace. So yeah, you can see the difference between the lace. Let's just go ahead and get into the install so you can see how easy it was for me to install this hair. Also, I try to keep it simple today. I didn't do any baby hairs. I just wanted you guys to see like how good it looks without baby hairs, without anything. Just like apply this joint and boom, girl, you got a bomb wig application without having to pluck or do any of that. So I am so in love, so in love, so in love. So if you guys want to see how I apply this bad boy, make sure you continue to watch. Alright, so here is what the box looks like. You get your two clips, you get your wig, get a wide tooth comb, a edge brush. You also get an adjustable strap, wig cap, and also flexi rods. So this is my first time ever getting flexi rods. So here's what the construction of the wig looks like. You get 4 clips inside the wig. You get your adjustable straps in the back, and this is what the wig looks like just on my head without applying any product or anything. You see how the lace looks so nice. It's transparent. It's already pre-plucked, which makes it so easy with applying the wig, because you don't have to do any plucking, none of that. Y'all see how that looks? It looks amazing. So I do want to tell you guys about their Black Friday sale. Okay, so this discount is available now until November 26th midnight. So basically you can get 20% off the bottom price. So with this discount, you can save around $70 for one wig. And I have the discount code in the description box below. So guys, you want to check out the description box so you can use that code to get 20% off the bottom price. Also, you can get a free gift after placing your order. And also you can get big coupons with the lucky wheel. It's all on their website after you make a purchase. If you are interested in the Black Friday sale, you can use the discount code that I have on the screen right here. I will have it in the description box as well. So you have until November 26th. I do have this exact wig linked down below as well. The length is 22 inches. It's 200% density. It's a 13x6 new clear lace and clean hairline wig. So if you've been thinking about trying the new clear lace wigs, this is the perfect time because you can save around $70 on one wig. I feel like that is amazing. That's an amazing discount. So like I said previously, everything will be linked down below, but I'm just going to let you guys finish watching me style the hair, just play a little music, and I will be back to talk to you a little bit more at the end. Alright girls, so here's what we are looking like. So I decided not to do baby hairs just because I feel like it looks a little bit more realistic without like too many baby hairs and stuff like that. So it looks so good. It looks really, really good. I got a piece of lace right here that keeps puckling up. Like, girl, lay your butt down. But girl, it looks really good. It looks so natural, so realistic. I'm gonna come up so you guys can get like a close-up view of what it's looking like. Thank you so much for tuning into this hair tutorial. I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure you check out the discount code in the description box if you're interested in this unit.